Assalamualaikum. This is Hima Tariq Mughal. I am senior lecturer at Muhammad Ali Jinnah University at the Department of Management Sciences. And today I am here for the webinar regarding the information for PMP, which is Project Management Professional. Basically, we have divided this webinar into two basic parts. Number one is why PMP is important in such timings when there is economical fall down. We are all affected by the COVID-19 all over the world. So how this certification can pay us off in bad times. And number two, the reason is how, if you're convinced enough to acquire this PMP certification, so what are the procedures of it, and how we can pursue to it. Regarding that, I'll give you certain information in spite of the fact कि ये तमाम information आप लोगों को या इससे ज़्यादा information आपको online that is available and it is available for everyone. But definitely when we are talking from certain forum over certain topics or certain certifications, so we possess certain experience and certain homework and the research work behind it. That's why we're here to speak about it. Anyways, regarding the QA session, I would appreciate that we can take the question answer session at the end of the session. I would I'll try to answer all your queries in the end of the session. But in between, because as I told you, it is divided into two parts. Number one, why PMP. So I would try to conclude and answer the questions after the first part, and then I'll do. So we will go accordingly that how we manage. Okay, number one, there are certain reasons when talking about project management professional certification that why one should go for PMP, right? Number one, and a very genuine reason behind it is globally accredited certification. I believe that this terminology is not unaware. Nobody is unaware of this terminology. Globally accreditation का मतलब ये है कि wherever we go with this certification and we have acquired this certification, it is being recognized and it is being worthy enough. Even today, if you Google or you try to find out what are the top 10 certifications of 2020, and if you want to search out the top 10 certification of past decade even, so you will find PMP in the top 10. And right now in 2020, it's on 8th rank. So 8th rank, it is as important as it is. So number one reason I have given you, it is globally accredited, which has at its own value. हम सब जानते हैं there are certain limitations of the degree or some certain other things which we do region-wise. Let's suppose if we are doing some MS and the project management from Pakistan, and we are planning to go abroad and settle down there or acquire the job over there, we'll have to pursue certain certain courses to compensate their region policies to get the compatibility done. So it is not being accepted, and because region-wise things are accepted, region-wise degrees are accepted, region-wise certain certifications are accepted. But this certification is globally recognized. No matter you are pursuing it from Pakistan or you are pursuing it out of Pakistan, it is being accredited everywhere. So this is one very sound reason to pursue this certification. Number two, obviously when we have done our bachelor's and the basic education and we are pursuing master's or any other certification, our core purpose is how does it affect our income. This is the core purpose of it. Core purpose, जब हम income की बात करते हैं, so I would be very much concerned about that if I am studying for the certification, getting my exams done, paying the fees out of it. So what I get out of it, how would it pay in my job, and will it worth it or will it not worth it, or will it worth it right after my certification or after 10 years or 5 years, or I need an experience within it. These kind of questions raises in our mind. So according to the economical graphs, which Google confirms and other forums confirms as well, there is a 23% raise in the salary of a person who has acquired PMP certification. Let's suppose I'm a project manager and I am conducting a project, and I'm part of that project as a project manager or as a team or any other thing. I'm just part of a project, but I have not acquired the PMP certification, and I have just done my bachelor's or master's or whatever degree we have pursued. And in spite of fact, I have a colleague who has done the PMP certification, and with the same educational background as of mine and with the same experience of the field as of mine, but his salary or her salary would be a 23% raise than mine. So this is what globally it is being accepted and it is being regarded. 23%, nobody can say कि ये कितना होगा. Number one thing, 23% in 37 countries in the world, it is being implemented. Number two, let's suppose it is, if we talk about numbers, so it is $10,000 plus income in a person raise. If I talk about the numbers, facts की बात करते हैं. So this is again a second very sound reason to pursue the PMP. Third reason to go for the PMP certification is that it is not related to the workplace. Like there are certifications like there is agile, there is web development, there is digital marketing. There are other certifications which are very much field oriented. Web development हो गई, programming development हो गई. आप web development करते हैं, so you pursue your career in the web development. You will make the websites, and you will be part of the websites, and so on. And programming, there are different certifications, so you go into that. Machine learning, artificial intelligence. So these are specific to the field. Among the chart of the top 10 certifications in the world, globally recognized, and the top 10 certification, PMP is the only certification that has nothing to do with the work you pursue. Either you're in education, you're in oil and gas company, you're in multinational, or you are working for a local firm, you are working for the governmental firm. No matter where there is a project, and by definition we all know what is project. Project is something which has a start point and the end point. So wherever it is a project, no matter it's a school which is conducting some admission campaign is a project. For the universities, it is a project, and from the other, and no matter it's some brand which is launching some product, it's a project because it will launch, it has an end date and everything like that. So wherever there is a project to be done, there it applies. PMP applies everywhere. So you don't have to. So the people pursuing from different fields, they usually ask these kinds of questions that. We are from oil and gas, so does PMP will give us a raise or not? And we are from the web development, I'm a programmer, shall I go for a PMP, will it worth it or not, and things like that. So the thing is that it's very clear that PMP applies for every kind of field. For every field, its domain is vast. When the domain is vast, you should acquire such certification and such educational backgrounds which give you chances to grow into in a dynamic way. That's why. So that's again, to my knowledge, I have pursued my career in the education as well as in the field. So I find its importance of doing the PMP in the both. I belong from two different kind of experiences. I hold two kind of. But the value of PMP has not been decreased, no matter where am I. It applies and it affects my salary, it affects my personal growth, so it is valid for everyone. So this is again a very genuine reason to go for the PMP certification. Another reason, since we all know that we are going through the era where there is a lot of downsizing, economic downfall, many companies are closing down, projects are ending up, things are not starting up. all chaos is being there. It's not related to just with Pakistan. It's related to everywhere in the world. So everyone is affected, no matter the person who is doing a job and $1 million, no matter the person who is at the designation of the GM, or the person who is at the some assistant manager or some associate or some at the lower grade. So everyone is affected. Everyone is in the fear of losing the job. So how a person who has pursued PMP certification is safe? So when the person who has done PMP certification, that is very much certain that he is part of such an organization where projects are being conducted. And as I told you earlier, there is no limitations of the field. Likewise I told you of mine. There are other people working in different organizations, and they are conducting the projects of different sorts. But the very genuine question rises is that people ask that projects are closing down, projects भी बंद हो रहे हैं, तो किस तरीके से प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर जो कि PMP सर्टिफिकेशन एक्वायर किया हुआ है, तो कैसे सेफ है? Why he is safe and why he has a potential or she has a potential to be at the safe zone? So नंबर वन रीजन, जब हम प्रोजेक्ट की बात करते हैं और स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग की बात करते हैं, और स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग, आई एम श्योर मेनी पीपल शुड नो द प्रोसेसेस, ग्रुप प्रोसेसेस ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, दैट इज इनिशिएटिंग, प्रोसेसिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, एग्जीक्यूशन एंड क्लोजिंग. सो ये तमाम प्रोसेसेस होते हैं किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के. आप छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट उठा लें, या यू आर टेकिंग $1 million प्रोजेक्ट वेयर रिफाइनरीज आर बीइंग प्लेस्ड, और यू आर कंडक्टिंग जस्ट एज एन, आपको एक क्लाइंट ने आपको एक टास्क दिया है टू कंडक्ट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन, और आप उस कैंपेन को अगर रन कर रहे हैं, सो देयर इज अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. आपको क्लाइंट एक काम देता है, you work over it, your team work over it, you close down the project, you hand over the project to the client. So in any field, again, there is proper procedure which is going on. And let's suppose हम ये suppose कर लें कि आजकल बहुत सारे, not all the projects but most of the projects are closing down. So when closing down, so it is even the duty of the project manager to close it down smoothly, because it is the project manager who understands the project management methodologies to be implemented. And that's the difference. That's the difference between the PMP certified person and the non-PMP certified person. Because non-PMP certified person की जो approach होगी, that would be haphazard. He'll be given task and he'll be doing it like, okay, I have to start doing it. He will not be documented. He will not be collecting information, executing information, concluding the requirements. He is not going to do that. It's in the blood of the PMP certified person to go through these procedures sequentially and then smoothly get it closed down. So many projects, like most of the projects, when the things were normal and we were living in the normal world, many of the projects were not executed because projects की execution की timelines जो है, they're always being exceeded, and there are other reasons. I don't want to get into those details. We can do it in some other session. But closing also requires a project manager on the top, because he knows what team he has acquired, what procedures he was conducting, what needs to be closed down, what needs to be handed over, what financials needs to be maintained, and everything related to that. So that means if a company wants to close down certain project in the middle of the project, so what he'll do, he'll ask the project manager that I'm giving you a new task. Actually, that's a new project for the project manager to close down that project, right? So this is one valid and satisfying reason to acquire the PMP certification, that when we are living in a pandemic era and everyone is so fearful of the diseases as well as from the economical downfall, so this can pay you off as well. Another reason for doing the PM organization, PMP certification, one has very common question. It is, do we have to have the project management experience? So yes, you should have an experience, but you should not have an experience of a PM. That is not unnecessary. That is one part. Maybe you might be just a team member of certain project and you have played your part. Let's suppose if we talk about programming or web development projects. So you were just a team member who created the preface of the app, who front end of the app. You were just that person in that team. So you have played your part. So that experience will even count in your project management. This is one thing. So the very common question that people get concerned of is that should we have the experience or should we don't have an experience to pursue this certification? So really you don't need it. Okay. Another reason. Everything we all know, हम लोग intermediate के बाद जब universities में admissions ले रहे होते हैं, so entry test के लिए there are many centers, coaching centers, there are many educational institutes जो आपको तैयारी कराते हैं इस बात की कि admission test को कैसे qualify किया जाए. अब certification है, it has a certain amount of fees which you have to pay and you have to clear the paper. And it is not necessary that you clear it on the first attempt. So is there any boot camp required? So no, there is no boot camp required. But yes, you have to have a part of certain project again, and it is good to have an experience or an experience conversation, or you should be under the training of a person who has already pursued the PMP certification, because his or her experience would shadow your thinking, would refine your thinking, and which will make your moves smooth towards the certification. So yes, this is one thing, but you don't need a specified. You don't need to spend $millions or certain months or time to have an education and preparation of it. You can do it very easily at home. There are books. There are a lot of material which is being provided in the internet. Not all the material is relevant. That I should be very much clear and loud in it. So there is material, and for that, obviously, we are here. And if you need a specific preparation of it, and which books you should pursue and which books you should not pursue, that's we can guide you in that as well. So definitely, so everything can be done in the exam. Okay. Another reason of doing PMP is that people ask that what are the passing criteria of it. If you go for the PMP certification, how much percentage what are the passing percentage or passing marks kitne hone chahiye? So this is a very common question which people ask. So there is no percentage. There is no percentage at all to pursue to pass the exam. There are 5 process groups, and in those 5 process groups, you should be proficient. Proficiency honi chahiye. So that means you have cleared the certification. That means at every methodology, when you will start preparing, because this is something which is an initial session for the PMP certification, where we are telling you the basics of the certification, and in later sessions we are going to help you out in conducting and concluding, and what material should be used, and how you should pursue your education, how much time would be required. That's another session. So these kind of questions we will going to answer in the another session, right? So, but at this moment of time, what we need to create the awareness is that why PMP is important. So I'm here to give you the importance of the PMP. So जब मैं proficiency की बात करती हूँ, proficiency का मतलब ये है कि आप methodologies को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से understand कर चुके हैं. And that understanding has been implemented in different projects. That is how that prepares you, and that makes you the project manager, the right and certified project manager, and the whole world agrees with your point. With that piece of paper of PMP certification, you are being recognized everywhere in the world. There is no doubt about it. So I believe that's an end of the first question that I have created, the importance of why PMP is important in this pandemic, and even if the pandemic is finished, which is going to finish inshallah. So how it will help us in pursuing our career or giving the raise in our salaries and what other things. Right? Okay, I believe I should take the questions for the first session. Okay. First question is that what is the career opportunities for project management professionals? So I believe I have cleared this point in my session that the project management opportunities are everywhere. It is not specific to if you're PMP certified, you can be a part of a group of PNG where products are being launched, right? And if you're part of, let's suppose their product is Pantene, you can be the brand manager or the project manager of that product. So you can fix in there. And if you are PMP certified, you can be the part of an oil and gas company where there are a lot of engineers, hydraulic and mechanical and electrical and electronic, whatnot. So you can be part of that engineering team. So basically, by my background, it doesn't matter that I am an engineer, I'm a doctor, and even though I am a diploma holder. So this is one important, and this is the beauty of this certification. It's not necessary that you are 16 years education qualified. You can be a diploma holder and you can be a project manager as well by doing just PMP certification. So you can fix anywhere. So opportunities are wide and open. That's very clear. Question number 2 is please kindly given any business idea considering COVID-19 situation in Pakistan related to the project management professionals. Business ideas, there are various business ideas. I believe reading this question, जो पहला business मेरे ज़हन में आया, and we all know जब ये COVID-19 start हुआ, so many people who were doing nothing or who were doing even something, they started the business of the sanitizers, making up the sanitizers and selling the sanitizers. It's even the project, by the way. And because it's an ending point, because we were, as the community of Pakistan, we are not ready to use such kind of products. थोड़े दिन बाद हमने market में देखा a lot of people, even the person like जो hawkers होते हैं, जो different चीजें जो वक्त और मौसम के हालात से चीजें बेच रहे होते हैं, अब आपको उनके पास मास्क नजर आती है. So that person who is a hawker, actually वो भी अपना एक छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट रन कर रहा है according to the need and to the environment and to the this is very business need. As any business can be created, that depends on your thing. Many people who had the restaurants and very lavish restaurants, they have shut down their business and they have come to the online thing. So at this yes, in COVID-19 pandemic era, if you ask me that what business can work out, every business can work out, which is online. That is one thing very simple and clear. Online business will work out. Physical business have a lot of limitations right now, so we have to work on it. Okay, the third question is this: that the can MS in PM can move to academic side? Okay, this guy, this is a very obvious question. I was expecting this. Okay, MS or MBA. Let's talk about any degree after your bachelor's or आपने bachelor's कर लिया है, अब आप pursue करना चाह रहे हैं डिग्री की तरफ, और आप मास्टर्स की डिग्री in any kind, MS कर रहे हैं या मैनेजमेंट साइंसेज में, आप MBA कर रहे हैं. There is a lot of fields in that, supply chain and HR and other marketing and things like that. Let it be very clear in that if you want to pursue your career in academics, you need a master's for it, because that's a requirement of HEC. This is very clear. If academics may, if you want to move on in academics, you must have a master's. But if you are pursuing your career as a project manager, no matter you are the part of academics, because in academics not everyone teaches. There's other staff as well who is playing their part. There are project managers. There are other people who are equally important. Let's suppose there is a controller examination. There is a registrar. These kind of people are the ones who hold the project. Like exam in every session is a project which is being conducted and concluded and coming to end. Uski commencement hoti hai. And for that purpose, a person is dedicated in the academic field. But so this is very clear. People ask this even कि हम MBA करेंगे certification करेंगे. There is no match. There is no comparison between an apple and an orange. If you want to do your masters, go for it. You are increasing your educational slab. That is it. And if you want to pursue your career in the academics, masters is required. This is one requirement you must fulfill. So you must do that. But if you want to pursue your career as a project manager, so you have to acquire it is very much there are many people who are pursuing their career as the project manager, but they have not pursued the certification. This is one thing, this is one reality. उसके बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं. उन्होंने क्यों नहीं किया? Maybe उन्हें पता नहीं था कि PMP होता क्या है. Maybe उन्हें पता था. They have no time to give it to the study. Maybe the fee requirement is an obligation for them, and there are other things as well. Or maybe they have attempted and they have not cleared, and then they left in between. So there are things in between to why not to acquire. So I guess I have answered the question. Okay. Next question is that can a PMP certification is better for those who have an engineering background? Oh yes, oh yes. I'm an engineer, by the way. I'm a computer system engineer, and I have worked for the field as well and the academic as well. I'm working for the academic right now. So yes, I'm working with the consultant as well. So PMP is valid for everything, and I myself as an engineer, so it works. I guess these are the questions for this session. Do you have more questions? Okay. Next question was that why how to acquire the PMP certification. दो parts थे हमारे session के, और this is the second part in which I am going to conclude really fast because it does not require that much of information. First of all, you have to go to the website of www.pmi.org. PMI.projectmanagementinstitute.org. You have that's an official and recognized website where you can find all the material that how to acquire. But in a nutshell, I'm going to tell you, PMP exam used to conduct in the computer centers, in the conducting center previously before this epidemic period. But right now it is an online. They have made it available from 14th April 2020. It is conducted as an online proctored exam. Likewise, in many universities are offering are conducting their exams and tests. So similarly, PMP at the very first time in the history, PMP has never conducted their exam in the online proctored mode. But now it is open for everyone as an online proctored mode, and you can do it from your home, you can office. There is no limitation of time as well. You can do it at night. There are certain conditions to it, that you have a webcam and the system should be compatible, and your internet connection, and in Pakistan as well, our electricity is one problem that should be stable enough for those 4-hour exam. It's a 4-hour exam, and there are 200 multiple choice questions. Okay, and then now going towards how it will be done, there is a procedure. आप website पे जब जाएंगे, so you'll find a form that you have to fill regarding your experience of the projects you have worked for. That is one requirement which we have to fill. There is an application and there is a procedure to fill the application. You have to fill those applications and you have to attach your relevant project details, the experience detail. Let's suppose I have worked in an organization of a project, या मैंने किसी college में, university में किसी project को run किया as a project coordinator, let's suppose, not the project manager. So I should take some certification from that institute or from that company that please allow me that certification on their letterhead. And you should scan it, so you can give your documents, your supporting documents, and you submit that application. The approval comes from the organization after like 4 to 5 days, at maximum a week. So once that approval is there with you, then you have to submit the fees. Now, what's the fees? Fees is $555 for the non-members and $405 for the member. So these are two things. Membership you can again acquire. There is a PMI Karachi chapter as well. So PMI has their different chapters worldwide. Karachi maybe they have a chapter. So you through your chapter you can do first you can be the member of PMI. So you'll be receiving their updates, their newsletters, and उनके webinars हो रहे हैं. You can attend it. आपके PDUs count होते रहते हैं. So there is a benefit. If you will ask me that should we go for the membership or we should not go for the membership, then yes, you should go for the membership first, because I believe, if I'm not wrong, I don't remember, it has a fees of maybe $100 of the membership. I'm not sure about it. You can check it over the website, and then you can give the fees of, you can schedule your exam now since it's online proctored mode, so you can submit your fees and you can schedule your exam, and then you can appear for your exam. This is how you'll do. And definitely before appearing for the exam, you should be prepared enough. How you should be prepared, what time is required, what sources should be needed, that we'll be conducting in the next session, inshallah. So with this information, I'd like to close down my session, and I have, I believe, given the very basic and ground level information for the PMP certification. Well, we have another information from our universities. Muhammad Ali Jinnah University has opened up their admissions, and we have different programs in the bachelor's and masters, and you can have all the information over our page and our official website. You can ask us any kind of query. We are conducting, due to the pandemic, we are not conducting any interviews in person. Everything is being online, and now we have the specialized people for it, and we are conducting everything very smoothly, alhamdulillah. So this is what we are doing, and there are definitely being the recognized university, we are offering scholarships to the people who meet the merit. So this is all which I need to inform you, and I believe there would be many other questions in your mind. You can write down in the comment section, and we will reply you back, or you can inbox as well regarding this session or regarding the admissions in the Master University in different programs, and we will try to help you out in that. Thank you so much for your time.